Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this fisheye effect on CapCut. It is super simple actually. You're just going to grab your video, I'll just use this one. Then I'm going to go to the effects section and you're just going to type in fisheye. I already typed it in here. And you're just going to add the effect that you like the best. So just play around with the ones you like. So for instance, I like this one. I'm just going to maybe like place it here. And I'm going to select create compound clip. Whoops. Okay. There. And I'm going to freeze frame that just in case you want it to be a photo instead of a video. Can also download it as a photo and export still frames here. And that is it for this video. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.